Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold is moving as well as how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, this is a chart I am showing you. It is showing a U trend. Okay, so why I am showing you this chart? Because whenever there is a movement like this, there is a possibility it can bounce back like this. Okay, or there is a possibility because the gold price was in this particular range. Okay, so there, if this price support, this is a strong support here. Okay, so it can bounce back from here. It has already touched this point, so it can come here and then bounce back. Okay, there is a probability. So now what you have to understand in this, that the price of gold is, see, this is the around 5 years chart I'm showing you. Now I'll show you 3 months chart. I'll show you 1 year chart. Look at this. If you look at the 1 year chart, it is continuously in the downtrend. See, look at this. Okay, and it has tried to go up just because increase in the US interest rate, the price of this is falling. And after the lockdown, that the price of uh, gold has increased so much because people were investing in the gold. But after August 20, the price, because of the US has increased the interest rate, the price has fallen so much. So now if we look at this point, this is a support here. Okay, and it made a support here and then bounce back from here, gold price. See, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Okay, please watch the full video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share the. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe also. See, look at this now. This is a 1 year chart. The price started falling after 10th of August in the August month, and it is continuously falling. If we look at 3 months chart, it has fallen this side, but after 8th of March the price was in uptrend. Okay, it haven't come near to the close, and it is continuously showing an uptrend and moved up to around 7 more than 17 this, and which is a strong support. Okay, so now what you have to understand, that the price of gold moving in a month, look at this chart. What it was doing, it came down, halted here, and then tried to move up. But what I have suggested you in my previous video, that if it cross this, then there are high chances that it can touch a level of 750, and if it stays around 1 or 2 hours of this level, then we can expect a target of 1762 and so on. Okay, and if it goes below this level 1737 and touch the level of 1734, then there is high chances it can touch a level of 1728. You getting me? But it has to cross this level downside, then it can go and touch this level, and then there is probability it can touch a level of 1718 to a level of 1712, and then 1707 to 1700 or 1698. This is the level I have already told me in a previous video. You can watch my previous video, because the market is moving. This is a 1 month chart. If you look at this, the price of gold is moving in the particular range. Okay, that is why I was making videos, in order to make you aware that the price of gold is moving in this particular range. You can trade, but in a range bound market. Range bound market is good, but when the breakout happens upside or downside, there is a probability to get a good profit. And remember one thing, whenever the price of any stock or gold goes up this way, it cannot go continuously. It has to hold for some time and then it can bounce back, or what, with the support of this it can come down, or what it will do is that it will make a W pattern, break this resistance point and then move back. In the same way with the coming, means when the price comes down, it cannot go move directly like this. It will give you opportunity to go and uh, square off your positions. So what, it goes down, halt it for some time, or make a M pattern and then move down, okay, or moved up. So this is why I'm making this video, in order to make you understand that you have to be careful while taking your positions. You cannot just take your position and sit expecting that the market will continuously fall and fall and fall. No, you have to, suppose you have taken the position, sell position at this level, once it goes 1698, then you should be aware that once it comes a level of 1700, suppose you are in sold at this level, now the price is at this level, and if it comes down to 1700 or 1702, then you should exit the trade, okay, because this is a part of trading and you have to understand that you cannot wait till here, because you are already in profit, 9 rupees dollars profit, and if it comes down to 7, then you should exit, or 5, because you have to give the brokerage also, okay, and plus you have to take the profit home. This is why we are trading. We are not trading to incur losses, okay. So now what we can expect, where the market can go in the next week. See, look at this, the price was moving in this particular range. Sorry. See, now if the price of gold goes below 1734 and stays below this, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1726. Once 1726 is touched, okay, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1721. Once 1721 is touched, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1712. After 1712, we can expect it can touch a level of 1707. Sorry. After touching at this level, okay, 1707, then the target will be around 1700 to 1698. Okay, what you have to do is, once you are at this, then you should trail your SL to 1709, because you are already have sold position and you are at this level. If you sold at this position, okay, then we can expect a target of 1700 to 1698. Once 1690 is achieved, 98 is achieved, the next target will be looking at around 1686. Okay, once 1686 is achieved, then the next target will be looking at, say, 1676, which is a low. Okay, so now this is the 1 month chart. This is for the next week. I am telling you, if suppose the price goes below this level, okay, 1676, because this is the price with a strong support, it can bounce back from here, because it is only once, the price has come only once, there is high chances that it can bounce back from here. Like this, it has bounced back from here, okay, so there is probability if it touch this level, then it can bounce back, and then after touching another high, suppose it bounced back and reached to 1689 or 1700, then it can bounce back down, and if it touch the third time, then there is probability it can move down. Okay, so now I'll show you a chart, because this is a low point where we have not seen since a year. Okay, so look at this. Once this level is touched, 1679, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1641 or 1645. It can touch. Once 1645 is touched, okay, then the next support we can see is that around we can see that around 15. See, after touching this level, then the next support we can see is around 1605. Okay, once this level achieves 1645, then we'll expect a target of around 1626 and then 1605, 116. Okay, so what we have to do is, suppose we have sold it at this position and hold it and the sale position with the stop loss of 1685. You getting me what I'm saying? This is what you have to understand in this. Now I'll talk to you if the price goes up. Suppose the price goes above this level 1737. Okay, once 1737 is achieved, then we can expect a target of 1748. Okay, after touching 1748, then we'll expect a target of 1754. Okay, once 1754 is achieved, then we can expect a good target 1761. Once 1761 is achieved, then the next target we will be looking at around 1761. Then we'll be looking at around 1775. Okay, once 1775 is touched, then we can expect it around 1788 and then with the level of 1800. Once 1800 is achieved, then we can say that 1808 we can achieve, and then from there we can see a U pattern, and then we can see a trend is upside. Okay, and if this is achieved and stays for 1-2 hour of this side, then we can expect that it can go more higher. Okay, so with a stop loss of 1805, you can be in a buy position with a proper stop loss. Okay, but this is my personal view. Okay, and I have made a good video on my, you can check if it touches this level, then the upside resistance point I have already discussed in my, you can check the videos. Okay, I hope you like the video, and you can check the resistance point or the points which I have already told if it goes upside, because 1845 is a strong resistance. If it crosses upside more than that, then there is high chances it can move up more upside. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.